Alright, so this is part 2 of today's lessons video. We are now going to be expanding logarithms, so that means you're going to be having multiple logarithms. Okay, so expand means to make bigger, make more. Okay, so we're going to expand these logs, and what I say is count how many items you have, and that's usually how many logs you're going to have. Okay, alright, so when I look at this first log in letter A, okay, I have 3 variables, don't I? Okay, so that means I'm gonna have 3 logs. Okay, and each variable goes to the log. Now this is all multiplying, so remember when you're all multiplying, multiplying means to add. Okay, so we're going the opposite way now. Multiplying means to add. So I'm gonna be adding all of these logs. So I'm gonna say log of x plus log of y plus log of z. And that's your answer, guys. I know I just blew your mind how easy that was. Alright. Now, just like you read a book left to right, this one's going to be working top to bottom. Okay? So, I have 3 items here. So that means I'm going to have 3 logs. Okay? So I've got a log base 2, log base 2, log base 2. Alright, the 4 and the x are multiplying, so that means they're going to be adding. And then the y is dividing, so that means it's going to be subtracting. And you're done. Alright, now what if we have exponents? It's just going to be one extra step with the exponents, okay? You've got 3 items here, 1, 2, 3, so I'm going to have 3 logs. Everybody gets a log, like Oprah says. Everybody gets some money. Everybody gets a log. All right. They're all being multiplied, so they're all being added. Okay? But when you're expanding, you can't have exponents. So I have to take these little tiny exponent numbers, and I have to move them on to the front. So my final answer will be log base 3 of 5 plus 2 log base 3 of x plus 3 log base 3 of y. And that will be your final answer. Okay? All right. Last one on here, and then we'll go to Delta Math and do a few. Okay? So, we got a square root here. I need you to remember that a square root is a 1/2 power. Okay? And a 1/2 power is a square root, vice versa. All right. So, we scroll back down. Now, I've got 1, 2, 3 things here, so I'm going to have 3 logs. Okay? Again, everybody gets a log. You read top to bottom, left to right. Okay? Now, x squared and the y are being divided, so they're going to be subtracted. The y and the z are being multiplied, so they're going to be added. Now, this guy right here, the square root of y is the same thing as y to the 1/2 power. So I'm going to rewrite this as log of x squared minus log of y to the 1/2 power plus log of z squared. Then I have to take all these exponents and I got to move them on up. Moving on up. And I got 2 log of x minus 1/2 log of y plus 2 log of z. And you are done. Okay? Alright, let's do some Delta Math ones. Okay, I'm going to show you how to type them in too. So let's do our little screen snip. Okay? And the bell's about to ring, so you're about to hear a loud bell. Alright. So this one, I want to expand it. I've got 2 things going on here, so I'm going to have 2 logs. So I've got log of x to the 4th, and I've got log y squared. Now, they're being multiplied, so we're going to add them. And then you got to take that exponent, and you got to move them to the front. Told you so. So, I'm going to have 4 log of x plus 2 log of y. So when I go back to Delta Math, I'm going to type this in. okay? And it's going to be 4. I don't know what's going on. There it goes. 4, you need to go to functions. Your log is right here, okay? Then go back. 4 log of x. We want to close that parentheses. This is going to be adding. 2, go back to functions, log, go back, and it's going to be y on the inside, and you're done, okay? So just like in Desmos, log is under functions, all right? So let's do another problem, okay? Let's do a division, and then we'll call it quits on this video. Come on, screenshot me. Here we go. Uh-oh, I meant to exit this out. Whatever. Okay, here we go. All right, so this one is division, so that means I'm going to be subtracting. So I've got 2 logs, so I've got 2 things, okay? I am dividing, so I'm going to subtract. Then you got to take those exponents and you got to move them to the front. So I've got 3 log of x minus 2 log of y. So again, just to show you how you type it in, we're going to come back here, okay? And I've got 3, go to functions, log, go back, of x, whoops, back. And it's division, so it's subtraction of 2 functions, go get your log, of y. Nope, that's x, that's not y. All right, and submit your answer. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. All right, ladies and gents, whatever saying is. All right, so that's it for your properties. All right, and I'll see you back here next time.